This is Skate Anthem 1 for YouTube. Yeah, it's just a retarded name, but got it when I was like 7 years old, I think, so I can't change it really, but this is the Wethepeople Trust 2012. Got it for like 2 months ago, and I really like the bike. It's not heavy at all. I don't really know how much it weighs, but you just Google on it and you will find out. So I'll just start in the front then. The front hub, I don't know if you can see, but Sol Plus, really like it. Fork, Sol Plus, real nice. The stem, Sol Plus. It's not heavy at all. I really like it. The bars, 4130, real nice bars. Don't change them, for fuck's sake. Okay, the grips, Wethepeople mugging grips, real nice. Real good grip on them, don't change them. The cranks, Sol Plus, real nice. The pedals, real dirty, but very good grip on them, even when they're dirty. Claw plastic pedals. The sprocket is a Sol Plus, real nice. The chain is a Salt, and then the back hub. It's not Sol Plus, but it's a Salt, so it's real nice. Then the back wheel is a Salt 2.2, I think, and the front one is the same wheel but 2.3. Real nice. Yeah, the pegs, Salt. Kinda heavy, but they're okay. Change them if you want to, otherwise just let them be. The seat, Wethepeople, like it, very soft, nice. I think that was pretty much it on the bike. So, okay, I almost fell there, but okay. So, that's pretty much it. I really like the bike, as I said before. I don't really know what they can change to next year, 2013, but it's just a phenomenal bike, and I really like it. I recommend it to anybody. If you guys out there just looking for a bike, buy this. It's a real good bike, and for a good price. So real nice. See you guys soon. Comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.